Honestly, I don't like this hair. It's fine, no, but you need to see the 8 inches. It's very, very small. Like the length is small.
Which one is a big girl? Like they do business.
Lately I've been feeling so senseless. This line that we have to draw. Each time you act so defensive.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. Guys, I'm trying out this voiceover thing for the very first time on my vlog, and I hope you guys like it. Just let me know on the comment section if you guys actually like it. So as usual, this vlog was created with so much love, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my vlogs as much as I enjoy creating them, guys. And if this is your first time coming across my video or my channel, you're welcome to my space. And please, I really hope you subscribe to this channel if you're the type that likes cozy vlog, realistic vlog. Trust me, you would love it here. So please subscribe and be part of my world, because I want you to be part of my world. Okay, so just sit back, watch and enjoy. Thank you.
Hi guys. Good morning. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? This week has really been less of, you know, I've not really been doing much this week. It has been a calm week, and I've not really had the time to talk to you guys. How you guys doing? Right now I'm dressed up to go get something. I want to be making stew. I want to make stew, so honestly I don't like this hair. It's fine, no, but maybe I don't know how to pack. Like, if it's the hair that I love, I won't need to talk too much. I don't really like the hair like that, because I wanted to make use of human hair to make the hair, but the price of the human hair that I wanted to use is very, very expensive. And I wanted to, close my eye and get the 8 inches, but you need to see the 8 inches. It's very, very small. Like the length is small. It wasn't making any sense, so I just told them to leave it. Then I made use of darling. darling hair extension. That was what I use. So I'm actually rushing to go get something for stew. I don't know if I'll be making soup, but I don't know. So guys, that will be all. I'll be taking you guys along. Let me just quickly pack this hair and start going out. Okay. See ya. I want you. Good morning. I won't buy. Give me pepper.
How much?
This one how much? Hope say no one spoil.
How much for it?
Your shambonko.
500. How much do you want?
You go put fisio.
How much? Big girl like you with this.
Which one be say big girl like they do fisio? Eh? Why tomatoes come cost like this?
I can hear you. Yes, I now see now.
You just say this orange sweet.
Her now. Some parents said you can't see the wish.